Victim Witness Liaison Program helps with anybody that's been a victim or a witness to different crimes, and the position was created to help them in court. The first thing I tell ladies and men when I'm meeting them is that no matter what, before we're done with our meeting, we will have a plan to proceed. And I definitely, in our situation and being Aboriginal, a lot of times clients feel a lot more comfortable coming to an Aboriginal organization because they know we understand, the past abuses that have gone on through the generations, such as residential schools and things like that. And before you leave, I can make sure that we have some kind of plan as to how to proceed together. Victim impact statement gives you a voice in the sentencing of the individual. Victim impact statements are after an accused has been found guilty. Prior to the sentencing, the victims are encouraged to complete a victim impact statement. There's 3 different forms. There's the child victim impact statement, and then there's the adult victim impact statement, and then there's the older children or youth victim impact statement. The victim impact statement is so important because it actually gives the victim a voice. The judge has to, by law, take it into consideration when sentencing, so it's a very powerful tool. What I'd like to do with you before you leave today is I'd like to do a little bit of safety planning in case you find yourself in this kind of situation again in the future. And I'd like to know, safety planning is a plan that you put in place when there is the possibility of violence. It's like a map for them to follow in case something happens in the future, because it always seems when you're not prepared that things go wrong. When you at least have a bit of preparation and you're thinking ahead about what can happen, then you can be more ready for it. For example, you can have a bag packed with different ID, copies of status cards, copies of your health cards, maybe copies of keys, some money, things like that put away, and anything like that helps when you're in a potential situation where you might have to leave and leave fast. The Criminal Injuries Compensation Board application is quite lengthy forms. Anybody that's been a victim of a vicious crime in Ontario can complete those forms, and half of my caseload is helping different clients complete those forms. It can be historical assaults or abuses, or it can be recent, and the forms are very lengthy. A lot of times when the clients get the forms in the mail right away, they're phoning me saying, "Okay, Michelle, I need some help now." For the best results, there should be charges laid because there has to be some kind of documentation. So if there's police information or if there's medical information, then that's even better. But there doesn't have to be charges laid. The reason I decided to come to Nishnawbe-Aski Legal Services is I felt that I had a fair background to be able to assist victims, and I felt that I really had a lot that I could give in dealing with victims and witnesses and helping them.